Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Есть ли? Страница 96-97. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Is there? Are there? Page number 96, 97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I am glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. 96. Ask and answer. Is there a desk in your room? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there any boxes? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. How many sofas are there? There are 2. How many lamps are there? There's only 1. Is there? Are there? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Exercise number 1. Спроси и ответь. How many sofas are there? There are 2. There is only 1. The answer. How many chairs are there? There are 4. How many cupboards are there? There are 2. How many mirrors are there? There's only 1. How many beds are there? There are 2. How many boxes are there? There are 5. How many computers are there? There's only 1. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Let's play. Is there a red lamp? Yes, there is. Поиграем. Is there a lamp? Yes, there is. Are there chairs? Yes, there are. Are there beds? Yes, there are. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Sing along. My house is very funny. My new house is funny. There are boxes everywhere. Boxes in the cupboards, boxes on the chairs, boxes on the table, and some under my bed. And there are 2 men in the kitchen with boxes on their heads. Спойте песенку. My new house is funny. There are boxes everywhere. Boxes in the cupboards. Boxes on the chairs. Boxes on the table. and some under my bed. And there are 2 men in the kitchen with boxes on their heads. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97. Fun at school. Family crest. Exercise number 4. Read and choose. Веселье в школе. Фамильный герб. Прочитайте текст и выберите правильный ответ. Today we have all got surnames, our family name, and everyone knows which family we belong to. Long ago, by looking at a family crest, people knew your name. A family crest gives information about your family. Is your family's favorite picture? The answer A. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Look at the family crest. What's the name of the family? Where does this family come from? Посмотри на фамильный герб. Какая фамилия у этой семьи? Откуда эта семья родом? The answer, Kite, England. Exercise number 6. Find and draw your crest or design your own. Найди и нарисуй свой фамильный герб или создайте свой собственный. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.